Hi there. I'm Jim Crayveld, lead attorney and founder of Crayveld Family Law. Today, I'd like to talk about empowering women in high asset divorces and ensuring that they have financial independence. First piece of advice that I have is, of course, get with an attorney soon. You can always reconcile later if you have to file promptly, but know what your case entails. Understand your finances. If you meet with an attorney, they will tell you what they need to know. And if you know what assets you have, what debts you have, you can start planning for how this is going to go down when you go through a divorce. We can give you better estimates of what kind of time it's going to take, what kind of cost it's going to take, depending on what you can share in the way of information. If you have businesses that need valuations, that will take time and some money. If you have documents, though, where you have access to tax returns and all of the financial statements, credit card statements, you'll be prepared and know what you're dealing with. If you don't have access to that, don't worry. Any attorney can do discovery and obtain all of that information for you. The concept is for you to, of course, protect your financial interest. So if you see unusual amounts of money being moved in bank accounts or your husband is doing weird things, it's time to take some action to protect your interests. You can monitor bank accounts. You can monitor what spending is going on. And if anything is unusual, you at least know to ring the alarm bell with your attorney to say, I have concerns here. Your initial concept might be, or question might be, all right, what about financial support? If you're saying, yes, I need child support. I need spousal support. Again, you can't reach agreements through settlement negotiations. You have the right to go to court right off the get-go at the start and say, all right, I need a temporary order for child support, for spousal support, so that you, again, can be having access to all of the bank accounts so that you can have the money that you need to continue during this divorce and, of course, beyond. If you have business interests that were acquired during the marriage, those are marital property. And they're going to be divided equitably, which is typically equally. Again, that value might take a matter of effort, but it's all part of the process. We always recommend that people try mediation. It's typically cheaper, it's friendlier. Using that collaborative approach where you can try to work together respectfully, civilly, is going to save at least some time. It's hopefully going to save money, and it probably will save a lot on emotions. Can't be done in all cases, but it's something to strive for. And we usually start from that position because it will help you conclude your case beneficially to you. Plan for the future. You need to know what you're going to need to live off of. Again, you may involve a financial expert that says, all right, you're going to have so much in cash. You're going to have so much in retirement accounts. You'll have so much in real estate. They can help you with investments. You may have concerns about childcare. You may have continued concerns about, well, am I going to have health insurance coverage? All of these things can be dealt with and covered when you have the presentation. You may even have questions, am I going to have to re-enter the workforce if you were a stay-at-home mom for a number of years? And that might be part of the equation because judges are going to say, well, your children are older, you're able-bodied, you can work, you have a degree. You may have to go back to work because that impacts child support. It impacts spousal support. The more that you can plan early on and know your situation, the less worry you have so that you can achieve financial independence at the end of the divorce case. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for listening. Take care.